Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to add the tracking code manually to your Shopify store. This could be a Google tracking, Facebook tracking, maybe other social media tracking code. So in this, I will guide you step by step process and one of the easiest way to add that tracking code manually on your Shopify store. So let's get started the video. Now you can see at the left side different options are there. So inside that you can see here online store, so click on that. Now you can see this type of page in which is written as themes. So inside that you can see here beside that customize three dot options are there, so click on that. Now inside that you can see here edit code, so click on that. Yeah, now you can see the different codes and all everything like our password dot liquid, but we want to changing that theme dot liquid for that your tracking code and all. So inside that search for script near. Yeah, now you can see here. So inside I will show as so here you can add that code manually for your Google tracking and Facebook tracking and also other social media tracking and all. You can doing this, and after giving all those things, and then you can see add the save. So click on that save. So in this way you can add that manually tracking code on that your Shopify store. So if you like this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you guys on our next video.